guys, welcome back to Chili Bread. Today we're putting the final part on my BMW. So what we got here, hold up, let me crack it open. Just a little washer pump. Difficult part is it goes here, and to get this fender off, we have to take the door off. So this is all coming off. We're taking everything apart. Also, shout out Beamer World, quick shipping. You know, I got all my parts off of Beamer World. They sent me gummies. Look at that. Please sponsor me. Also, shout out Brick House. He's recording today. Just thought I'd mention him. Go subscribe. Now I can access to one more Took us 20 minutes. All right, this is what we're working with here. Heck yeah. Got Jackson in the passenger seat. I think it's time to take it for a drive. What do you think?
Fucking go.
Let's do it.
Alright, so if you skipped ahead to the video, and I don't know why you would do that, and now you're at this part, and you see there's no door right now. We lost it, so now we're gonna go search for it, I guess.
Vamos para arriba, no hay ninguna prisa. Solo quiero sentir tus labios y que seas mía. Perdernos ahorita no es pecado, mija. Olvidemos todo, hay que disfrutarnos ahorita y tal vez volaremos hacia el espacio. O tal vez no sabremos dónde quedarnos. Al tomar tu mano me siento despacio. No puedo captar bien, los dos perdidos andamos. Contigo me calmo, siento un buen relajo. Caminando hacia la luna, la noche alargando y tal vez podrá que nos está entrando.
Alright, that was fun. I guess we should put it back together. Yes. We have to. And we got some weird looks. It's okay though. It was fun.
Oh, wow. Okay. Ooh, what's that cool thing?
Reservoir.
It's cool. 100 likes on this vid and Ian will take a shot of this. Right, Ian? 100 likes.
Good shape, good shape.
Yeah, you're doing this. Yeah, guys, Brick House here burned himself yesterday. He's having a fire. Piece of like cardboard flew at me. But isn't that crazy?
Get a knife.
Psycho man. Damn. Yes. Yes, I got it. Very nice day out. If you haven't gone outside today, go outside.
Go outside.
It's so nice. Also, every female watching this video, make sure to drop your number down below.
Do that. My girlfriend will kill me.
Well, tell her it's for me.
Oh, okay.
Put at Brick House and then your number down below.
Alright, this is gonna be a little difficult.
Why?
Should I take this nipple out of here? Don't ask. It's stuck in
You
there.
said nipple and you told me not to laugh.
This nipple's stuck in there.
This nipple's stuck.
It's sucking hard. I have some lubricant.
Oh my gosh, it gets worse. Wait, where's he going? I want to go. He's got some lube. We're good. All right, so if you guys are just tuning in right now,
What?
Wasn't planned. Well, as I was saying, Chili's about to lube up the nipple and slip it out. That's okay. A lot of lube. Wow.
That's good.
That was cool.
That was really cool. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah. And now we're gonna pop the nipple out.
I broke it.
Well, this is the coolest part of the car anyways, so. After this, we're gonna play a game of rock, paper, scissors. The loser has to go deep throat a Quick Trip hot dog, so.
Shout out Marty for the Quick Trip gift card I got.
Stay tuned for that.
Oh,
He's popping the nipple out. Pop it, pop it. Holy nipple, dude. Are you gonna put a new nipple in?
Yeah.
Is it really called the nipple?
Yeah, it is. I'll show you why it's called the nipple.
While he's working on the nipple, let's just go look at my views. I posted a video 3 weeks ago, and it just hit 600 views. It's just going up like crazy. Look at this. It hasn't stopped. Wait. Look at that. Golly. And our senior skip day, Ian said he might not even skip, so.
I have to go to work, bro. I'm an automotive technician. See?
Okay.
Nipples out of the hose.
Sucking the nipple on the hose.
Bro, in a year I'm gonna be a fucking Porsche technician.
Oh my god.
Someone's
Make sure to show him,
with a
show him this.
$200,000 car, bro.
Yeah, he's gonna start sucking the nipple out the hose.
And you're coming to California with me.
I will be going wherever Ian goes, yeah.
So we have more Chili's garages.
Damn.
Okay, I'm staying in there. Yeet. Let's put their new part in. This is why it's called a nipple.
He just put his mouth on it.
I'm sorry.
So now he's gonna use the Beamer World part and stick it into the hose.
Just like
He's sticking it in the hoe.
Yeah, I ain't coming out. Oh, let me make sure this is the right one.
Just like a nipple.
Oh, it's right. It's the right one. Shout out Beamer World. They hook you up. Look at it.
They hook you up. Go get yourself some Beamer parts.
Yeah, Beamer World. Please sponsor me.
Oh.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
Yeah, we just put the plastic back onto the car.
Oh, yeah, we had another excess.
Oh man, I'm hungry. I'm gonna. Oh.
Want me to order you food?
Yeah.
Okay, we can get food after we're done.
Ian, at what age do you plan on taking over the world?
I don't know.
Sometime soon or no? Like 30?
I'm getting a little old.
So you think like in your 20s you're gonna take over the
Oh,
world?
definitely, bro.
I think I'm gonna start a fan account for Chili's Garage or like Chili's bread. Let's get like Chili Balls fan. I'm just gonna post like funny clips.
This is the moment of truth. Hopefully it seals. I'm about to put that blue stuff in there.
So what are the chances that this car explodes the next time you turn it on?
About 90.
A 90% chance.
Better than usual.
Damn. 100 likes, Ian's gonna drink it.
Forbidden Gatorade into the car.
Yummy. If you guys get 200 likes, Ian's gonna sneak this into his friend's water. Not me,
swear to God, I'm gonna
but
do
he's
it.
gonna
I'm gonna
sneak.
do it.
He's gonna sneak it into someone's water.
Bro, I swear to God, this is the first time in 2 years this has had windshield wiper fluid in it.
Damn.
Shall we give it a test?
I say 90% chance. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, I'm ready. Oh my. Look at that. Oh man. Whoa! It worked! Dude, it actually looks so drinkable.
It's my God.
I love everything about it.
Look what it says on the side of it. Hold on.
Who
It's
cares,
flammable too, bro.
bro?
It's gonna blow up in your stomach.
Dude, it's so worth it, like Fireball. Ah! 1 like and we're gonna put some Pepsi
I'm
in
gonna
it.
sell this car anyways, bro. I found a new car I think I'm gonna get.
Really? Is it a BMW?
No.
No more BMWs?
It's an Acura.
Is Beamer World still gonna sponsor you if you're working on a different car?
Frick yeah, bro.
Well, I mean, do you have enough money to buy another car?
Yeah, I
Or do
actually
you-
do, bro. I just got paid big bucks from YouTube. Just kidding. Subscribe so I can get paid. Please, bro, please. I need it. I really
Wait,
need
I think there's something on your tooth. Let me get it out. Here, open your mouth. Gotcha, bro. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Damn, bro, I can't believe you let that slide again. You're lucky I didn't touch your uvula. Again. All right, so yeah, we got car technician and half genius, so we're just filling it up with a hose right now.
I'm only a half genius.
Slanging that hose.
Oh,
Get-
filled it too far.
Oh yeah, that motherfucker leaking. That precious juice. Could have drank that. Ian, put your mouth over it. Beamer.
Yeah, put all this shit back together, bro.
Are you excited?
Nope,
Wait, I think there's something on your tooth.
they're not. I gotta pee really bad. I'm gonna start peeing on you.
You just got violated again.
Something on your tooth.
Wait,
There's something on your tooth.
that can't go.
No,
that won't.
I think I gotta get it, bro. I gotta stop.
Get
Stop
away.
resisting.
Chili.
Stop it. There's something on your tooth, bro.
Shit, bro. There's
Stop
nothing
with
on
your
my.
freaking
There's
mouth.
nothing on my mouth. I swear. How do you let that happen again, bro? You look like a. You look like a fish. No, you're not getting my cheeks. All right, guys. I don't think that was supposed to happen right now.
Heavy, bro. Heavy. It's talking to me.
What did it say? It's gonna fall.
How'd you know that?
I don't know. I'm just half magician. Oh, it wants to fall. Brick house for the win. Oh, whoops. I let it fall.
Shit.
Not only a technician / rapper, we have a construction worker.
Hold it. Wait, what?
I don't know why I said that. All right, Skunkle fam. We're just putting in the work for success. So you guys should do it too. If you're not, what are you doing with your life? You know.
I realized you're my best friend. Can separate actions from faith, 'cause you have all I need to take. That's why I think I am.
Alright, so my phone died while we were doing the time lapse, but basically this is what it's looking like now. Pretty good. Shout out Beamer World. Products are always good. If you got a BMW, you should definitely check them out if you need parts. And also shout out Brick House. Thank you for filming with me today. His channel's somewhere up here. Go subscribe to him. He makes like some random shit. I don't know. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. See ya.